in art and design. So today we're working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. As usual, I want it very simplistic, elegant, and minimal. So I just have a mix here of titanium white in with unbleached titanium, a custom mix. I have titanium white here, really soft color palette. I have my custom gray that I've been using. And then I also have a thicker unbleached titanium that I did not thin down, and then some silver and a bit of bone black. So I'm going to start off with my little warm-up, which is also going to be incorporated in the painting, and then we're going to get started. So canvas is already pre-primed with gesso. I am not going to spritz it right now, as I often do. Let's just... So it's got to kind of have like a boho feel, but not. Okay, and I'm feeling that already. I've mentioned before that when I do a warm-up, there's no time limit for me. It's just kind of when I feel like I'm ready to kind of get started. So, and I'm ready to get started. So I'm going to do a light spritz here. And I'm not going to follow these exactly, but I am going to kind of use them as a guide. And I really like that it's not really completely covered. I really like that. So I'm just going to do some lines and marking. Just kind of have fun. I really like that. With some thick paint. And I generally just paint intuitively, but this one here, I do kind of have a certain idea in my head, but oftentimes I will allow that to change. So you've got to be open. Oh, picked up some black there. It was unintentional, but I like that. Like I said, it's going to have somewhat of a boho feel to it. Doesn't have to, it's just the look I was going for. And again, just spreading paint like this, especially with the wash or the filbert brush, it's very, very satisfying. But what I'm also doing, because it's thick, is creating a bit of texture as well. And then sometimes, you know, I change mid-painting, and that's all part of the process as well. There's nothing that you have to stick to. Unless you're doing a specific commission piece or client, go wild. Beautiful. Lighter. very happy how this turned out. It satisfied my spring idea. And again, abstract, but I feel the leaves and some broken ones and the flow and the movement. I'm in love with the simplicity. Love, love, love the composition. Again, it looks great horizontal and vertical. And I really do love using the precision tip to get those little details in there and make those curvy lines. It's a lot easier and it gives a different look than when you do the water dripping. And this here is what I was talking about earlier, about having them not fully covered. So just getting that contrast with those light strokes. And you can see the shimmer there from the silver and the gray and the white and those soft creamy tones, overlays. And even though the white is very, very, very subtle, it does add a lot to the painting. And again, for variation and interest, I just left the paint there really thick. Love that. Love the markings, and yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Quite happy. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you like the result, or you keep coming back and you're not subscribed, please hit that button. Share, I would love that too. I'm also now on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me and I'll follow you back. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you all in the next painting.